guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your address to your Samsung account on the Samsung.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. Go to your homepage and then tap on this account button in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on My Page. Click on Edit Preferences in the middle on the left side. And after that you should go to this address section and tap on the Add button on the right side. Type in your first name, your last name, then type in your phone number, type in your address, the city, select a state, type in your postcode, set the company name, but it's optional, so you don't have to do so. You can set it as your primary address or set it to be the same for the billing address. If you are done with adding all this information, just tap on the Save button and then your new address will appear at this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.